damn it, this stuff. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. So I hope you guys thoroughly enjoy it. I'm going to do a getting ready with me, a little something everyday makeup look with a little glam. Yeah, on to the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you enjoy. So I've already washed my face, moisturized, did all that good stuff. So now we're gonna get into the primer, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Baby Skin, my bad. Really great, keeps your face really nice, and you know, blurs out the blemishes. Does a great job. Alright, so I'm rubbing it all in, all that good stuff. And I just really love how it sits on my face. So what the clip didn't catch after I did this, I went in with the beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and I put some translucent powder on my skin on top of this. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So yeah, the clip didn't catch this. So now what I'm gonna do is just fill in my eyebrows with Kai Beauty eyebrow pomade in the shade Ebony. It's really great, guys. Recommend you support local, all the bohemians out there, you know. Yeah. And so yeah, I'm just filling them in, and then we would transition into putting on foundation. So later on in the video I'll show exactly which shade. Oh, here we go. So it's Fit Me Maybelline 330, and I just used a beauty blender, damp beauty blender, and just pat. No rubbing, smudging, just pat deep in your skin, get it in there. And now I'm using the concealer, trying to do like TikTok, but eventually I just I just blended it out like I normally would anyways. So I learned especially a makeup hack where you just let it sit on your face. So I'm just putting this on, and as you'll see throughout the video, it's just sitting there, and I'm gonna let that dry so that it doesn't move around when I start to blend it out. And now in the meantime, whilst I'm letting my concealer just sit, I'm gonna use the contour, the darkest shade in this contour palette. So yeah, just, you know, sculpting out the face just a little bit, nothing too crazy, it's just a slight glam. Okay, so now whilst I'm letting my concealer sit and my contours on my face, I'm just gonna outline the concealer around highlight my eyebrows. We're outlining with the concealer underneath. I'm not gonna do on top. Yeah, that's what I do. I do apologize for having the palette in front of the camera, but your girl had to see what she was doing. So as you see, I brought down the concealer down to on my eyelids, and now I'm just touching up my eyebrows, making sure any concealer, you know, fixing that up. And then I'm going in with the concealer. Well, before I go in the concealer, I'm gonna go and just blend out the contour. The secret is blending, baby. You gotta blend. So here I show the Pro Concealer, and now I'm just gonna conceal underneath my contour. Okay, so after we conceal, you know, feeling the face. Don't mind my face right now. Trust the process. So the important thing about this, like I said, you gotta make sure your concealer is nice, not dried out too much, but even if it is, you just spray it with that setting spray to help the process move along. But what I did after I blended out the concealer under my eyes, I'm now taking some translucent powder and using the beauty blender, and you know, I'm just dabbing it on top as a base for my eyeshadow. Looking good. So now I'm starting to blend out the concealer that I let dry just a little bit, and it's blending out really good. No product is smudging, it's staying right in place. So just blending that all out. And all of the places that I blended out the concealer, now I'm just going on top with the translucent powder and just setting on top. I'm not baking, I'm just putting just enough to cover the area. I personally don't bake. I just put enough and it just works. Trust me, it works. So now I'm going in with my eyebrows, and I'm using a Kai Beauty eyeshadow palette, and so I'm just going in with a lighter color, as you can see on my brow bone, and then I would blend it out with a more of a lighter color. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's Posh is the name of the color I'm going in with. So I'm setting a neutral color just all around my base. Like I said, this is nothing dramatic. It's just a little, I wouldn't even say soft glam. It's just a little glam. Something, you're just hanging out. Nothing too crazy. So I'm going in with this Posh color. And then on top of it, I'll just put a light glittery glimmer type of look. Well, I'm actually applying a more darker brown on the ends to give it like a smoky eye, but not too smoky. But it's mostly posh and then a darker eyeshadow. So as you can see here, I'm just slightly tapping on my eyelid with the shimmer. It's not crazy shimmer, but I like this because if you want to look a little sparkly but not too sparkly, it works. It does the job. So once I'm done with putting that, it's almost like a cut crease, basically a cut crease. Then now I go ahead with my eyeliner, my liquid liner, and I just put it on the top. I'm not doing any cat wings or anything. I'm just putting it on top to give a nice sleek finish. So once I'm done with that, I'm now gonna go in with my, so this is her blush and highlight palette. So I'm gonna go in with the middle blush color. It's a nice peachy vibe. I like it. It's really cute, sweetheart. It gives sweetheart vibes. And then on top of that, I'm going in with a nice highlighter. Just really feeling myself, excited to hang out and just have a good time. And now I'm just going to blend everything in, because the key to a beautiful face is blend, 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 blend. So I'm going to blend it in with my Maybelline 350 powder. And I'm just going to go all in, blending, blending, blending. And then I spray my face with a nice setting spray. So here you see me back again, but with a different top. So yes, I've switched into my actual outfit, and now I'm just doing my lips to do my final touches. And with this, I'm just using a dark brown from my eyeshadow palette. You can do what you want. If you have liner, I don't have any, so this is why I'm doing this. And I'm just putting around the edges. So once I apply my lipstick, my liquid matte lipstick, it'll just blend out really nice. So that's what I'm doing here, and then you guys will now see the final look once I have blended it out. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. here is the end result.